Hello, welcome to the channel. I want to do a video on Tails Linux, how to install it. I want it to be easy and short as I can reasonably make it. I'm going to open up my Firefox browser, and I've got a cold so my voice is raspy. Apologize for that. That's going to give me some extra time here to make a video or two. So we want to look up Tails Linux. Do a search for it. It seems to be more open now than it used to be. Here it is, Tailsnet. Used to be more private and say we can't tell you much about this site, but it seems like they've opened up a lot now to a lot more people, I guess, know about it. So, but we're going to click on the website. We want to go down to install Tails, and I'm in Linux Mint Cinnamon 22.2 Zora. You can see down here in the bottom left corner where I've typed that in. We're going to hit Linux. That's what we're installing it in. And so we go down here and we find download Tails. We want to download this, the recent one, 7.1. So we're going to click on that. That should start our download. And while that's downloading, we're going to pause the video. We're near the end of our download, so we'll unpause the video as we finish this Tails image download. Okay, that shows that it is complete. So now then they want you to verify your download file to make sure that it's that it made it and in full form. It hasn't been corrupted or anything left out of it. So select your download to verify. Your file browser will come up. And you want to go to where your video is. In my case, it's downloads. And here is Tails 7.1 image. So we're going to highlight that and hit open. And now it's going to start verifying. And I'm going to pause the video again so you don't have to wait on this. Okay, we're near the end of our verification. So I'll unpause the video and we'll see if it checks out good. And I expect it to. I didn't have any trouble downloading it, no errors or anything were reported. Okay, verification successful. We got the green check mark. We can go ahead and close our file browser. Okay, now then I have a USB, you can call it a thumb drive, USB stick, you can call it flash drive. I call it jump drive. That's what we always called it back in the old DOS days. So this is my USB drive. I'm going to plug it in. It's already got Tails on it. And so it's recognized. See, it's already sealed up from Tails. But I'm going to override it because I'm allowed to do that. Now, as far as I'm concerned, in order to put this in order to copy this image to that, you can use Rufus or Balena Etcher, whatever USB image writer that you want to use. In my case, I'm in Linux Mint, so I'm going to use theirs. I'm going to find it by typing in USB in my search box, and I'm going to click on USB image writer. Linux Mint's got their own. It's very simple and very effective. So I'm going to click here. This is not an ISO, but it is an image file, IMG file. So we're going to click here, go to downloads and find it. Click here, click open. Then we're going to click here to find the We don't want our SD card. We want this one right here. This is my USB stick. I guess it's what most people want to call them. And we're going to say write it. That's going to erase everything. Make sure you use a USB stick that's at least 8 gig or larger. Some say you can do it in 4. I wouldn't push that. And the faster stick you get, like if it's 3.0, you got 3.0 USB drives. It's only going to help you because you want to wait for it to boot so long. So you want a fast stick and at least 8 gig or larger. You see this one here is 32. It's showing us 31. So we're going to hit write, and we're going to write that file to the stick. Okay. Let me start this over. There. Got our password in, and here we go. Okay, it was written successfully. Now you're ready. This stick is ready to boot. One thing you'll need to do is where it says that you want to choose persistence, click that switch on right there beside where it's the box that says persistence. When you first get into it, it'll give you a chance to make a password. So you have one folder you can save some settings in, like text files and whatever files that you want, because Tails is set up to delete wherever you put in it. It's super secure. It's super protected against viruses and stuff, and viruses and such things as that. And so you're going to lose whatever you put into it unless you put it in a persistence folder. So you boot to it just like you do any other operating system on a stick. Choose your F4 or F12 boot screen, whatever your PC system brings up your boot screen on, and choose that USB stick to boot from, and it should boot from it fine. Like I say, going into it, flip that switch on by your persistence to set it up. Give it instead of calling it a password, they call it a passphrase. They want you to put in a pretty long phrase. And that's how you get started on that. And with that, we're going to close this video. And thank you for watching.